Yes, yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, everything is on. Sorry, I'm doing very well and everything is on great. I think as we both meeting for the first time, so we should introduce, we should. So, would you first or should I start?
Okay, let me introduce first. Okay.
Yeah,
Sometime
go ahead.
your voice is stucking. Your voice is not audible properly sometime.
Mm, so maybe an issue. Am I audible right now?
Not clear so much.
Is it better? Yeah,
Sometime stucking,
that's why
sometime.
it's happening. No worry, it would. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Munsi Tudu and I am talking to you from Bihar, and I am only 10th pass educated, and my hobbies are reading English book, watching English video on YouTube, and to play football. And by profession, I am a
Okay.
farmer. That's all about me.
Okay, that's perfect, and I'm good to know that. Okay, so talking about my introduction, so you can see my name is Sushmita Rao. I'm from UP district Gazipur, and talking about my qualifications, so I have done my bachelor's in science. Right now, I'm learning this language. I'm communicating with a stranger, and it's my hobby kind of. And talking about my another hobby, so I love reading books, watching English movie, and creating story. And regarding my goal, so I want to be a trainer. I want to like teach beginner kind of, not grammar. I just want to speak with them. And yeah, this is only. I think it's enough.
Okay.
Okay. So let's dive into the conversation. So do you have any particular topic to discussion, or we should go with the floor, or do you have? So you can put here. You can ask me if you have.
No, no, I don't have any topic. So if you have, then we can discuss.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure. So first of all, I want to know your journey. That when did you start your journey?
Well, I started my learning journey. It's been more than one year, but I
Okay.
don't keep consistency. That's why I'm not so much fluent. So I'm very passionate about learning this language, but due to
Yeah.
busy schedule, I being a farmer, I have to do lots of work. So that's why I don't get proper time. I don't able to manage my time, but somehow, sometime I manage my time
Yeah.
to learn this language. In order to improve my
Oh,
English, sometime I manage, and I try to connect with people. And one day I
yeah.
come across your video on YouTube, so I thought that let's try to connect with ma'am. So that's why I messaged one day.
Yeah, that's great for me. Thank you for connecting me. And yes, I think it was your journey you started. Okay, I think you told me 1 year you have started.
Yes, yes, it's been more
Okay,
than
so
1 year.
yeah, you speak very well. So could you tell me that like what kind of strategy you have followed so far to learn this language?
Yeah, initial day I had little bit knowledge when I was studying in school. I had
Yeah,
little bit knowledge about this language, but after quicking my study, I didn't focus on it. But after some year back, I realized that I can learn this language, and I understood what
okay.
is the importance of this language in this era. So I started my speaking journey first time, and uh, for improving my English, what I do every day is I read English book, and I watch English content on YouTube, and sometime I practice myself, like self talk. I do self talk.
Okay,
That's how I practice
okay.
every day.
So yeah, that's great. So are you also into conversational video you were watching to improve your English? Like sometimes video, Rajni ma'am video, people are very loving their video, and I think that's hitting for everyone. And they learn many things from Rajni ma'am, I think from Sunita ma'am, because they both are speaking very well. Talking about Sunita ma'am, so she speaks marvelous English, and the way she speaks, it's very wonderful. Everyone appreciating because her hard work, it is showing day by day, her dedication. Yeah. So, okay, I really want to ask you one thing that you are sitting in open area. So, is it your field or you are just sitting out of your house, close your house?
Actually, I have come here because in my village, network is not
Mhm.
work properly. So that's why for connecting,
Okay, so
I
where are you? Like, is it your field?
no, it is a small hill. I come up
Okay,
here for connecting with you
okay.
because,
So
as
no
I
one
told you,
is
network is
okay. No one is
unstable in
around.
my area. That's why.
Okay, so no one is around you who are watching you, like who are watching you while conversation, and I think while conversation, maybe they will disturb you.
No. Right now, nobody is here, but people know. People know about me that I am doing
Okay.
all these things. People know about me.
So they are aware that they are not going to disturb you while talking. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's a good one for you. Okay, so I can see it is a kind of different environment in your backside, and it's a very peaceful. And I also want to have a conversation in open area, but I can't get because many people and many children they will annoy me, so I can't. And talking about this kind of environments, I like it. And yeah, that's a better. And one thing, it's revolving. I think one question, it's revolving in my head. I really wanted to ask you. And I think many times I have seen in Pooja comments. So I was thinking to message you to connect with you. I really wanted to interact because I really want to get over my fear. Even somewhere, not somewhere, sometime. Earlier, earlier I was very getting cold feet. I was not able to speak in front of people. I was, getting cold feet, and I really wanted to get over. That's why I decided to connect with a stranger to overcome this fear. This fear. So this is my, I think, ultimate goal to be a confident person in my back. I think in my current day, in my fear, and that's why I'm doing it. So what about your goal? Like, what do you want to do after learning this language? What is purpose? What is the main purpose behind?
Well, my main purpose for learning this language is for improving my English, and after learning this language, I can teach my children as well, and I can teach my village boys as well. I can be role model of my
Uh,
village. So I cannot
yes.
expect to get any like job because I don't have that much education. So after learning,
Yeah.
I can teach
Okay.
children. That I can
Yeah,
do.
definitely you can teach. You will be able to teach if you keep consistent and if you are upgrading yourself day by day by learning and by observing your surrounding. Okay, so one thing I wanted to ask you that what do you think about English? That how much importance we have to give English, and what do you think? What is the necessity part of learning this language? Why people are craving? Why people are longing to learn this language? What is the reason behind of it?
Yeah, every people has different perspective or goal because some people want to do job in any company, but according to my perspective, why I am learning this, because in this era everyone everywhere I can see on thing written in English language everywhere.
Yeah.
Whenever I visit some website, so I get all that information in English language. So
Yes.
that's the main thing that in this era every people should to learn this language because
Yeah.
it is India and it is called that Hindi is national language, but it is not reality. English is used everywhere, whether it is a small thing or big
Yeah,
thing.
and yes,
Uh,
I see eye to eye with you because it's very crucial role in our life. We have to knowledge about English because many people they are studying but they are not getting knowledge about speaking. How can we speak in front of people and how can we get salary and how can we get job? Because many people they do not have knowledge and they don't know how can we due to uh, lack of speaking, lack of confidence level, they all are not getting, they all are pushing back